How to use Mercari Crosslist feature. To use the Mercari's Crosslist feature, first things first, go ahead and launch any desktop browser of your choice and then head to the Mercari website or simply launch the Mercari mobile application. Once you go ahead and log into your account, you simply have to navigate to your active listing on eBay, Poshmark, or Depop and copy the item's link. Now you simply have to access the import tool. Go to your profile settings by tapping on My Listings and select the Import Listings tab option. From there, you simply have to now paste the copied URLs into the input box. You can submit up to 15 links at a time. Now you simply have to choose who pays for shipping and upload the URL. Now, the conversion process takes up to 1 to 2 minutes, and then you can also manage your list over there. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.